can do whatever you want because you are the artist. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. So today we're going to paint a shamrock, but we're going to use some very special paint. So I don't know if you can see this very well, but it's very shiny because we used corn syrup paint. I'm going to show you how to make it, and then we'll paint with it. So in this container here, I don't know why I'm doing 3 different greens, but I have corn syrup in our little package. You could do this on like in a bowl or on foil. You could do anything, but we have one of these pallets, so I used it.
Yogurt or applesauce container.
Yes.
You don't
or
need
a lid.
lot.
No, you don't need very much.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to pour in some green food coloring.
I counted, Miss Kate. That was 3 drops.
Yeah. We're going to see if these are 2 different colors or the exact same color.
Oh.
Because no, they look the same. Oops, and that one squeezes out because it's almost empty. Okay, I'm going to stir this up.
All right.
With the handy dandy toothpick right here. Oh, that's very dark. And then I'll do the same over here. This one's a little lighter, so there was a difference.
What if you take some from your toothpick and mix it to make a really light one?
Oh, I could try that. Let me see what that looks like because I have more corn syrup over here. Yeah, oh yeah, now it's much lighter. Okay, that's kind of fun. Experiments. It's always good. Okay, I'm going to throw that over there. So when I made my shamrock, to make it easier, I drew hearts. So I did a heart like this.
Oh, that's a good trick.
And then I turned it and I did a heart that kind of met here in the middle. And then one over here. Because they do look like hearts. And then I just made a stem. And I'm not going to worry about my lines on this one, so you can see what we're doing. I'm going to dip my paintbrush into this very messy concoction and paint. Oh, I think this is going to be better. Okay, I'm going to paint like this. And then I will go down my stem here. Now, if you're in a house that has a lot of ants, you might want to be careful. Because the first time we ever did this, I was so excited, and we came back the next day, and all of our paintings, remember that? That was our first summer, I think.
Yeah, when you were at in the portable at that school.
Oh no, it was at camp when we did it, remember?
Oh.
And we came back the next day, and all of our paintings it was an ant party. We just invited them all in.
They were so happy.
They were super happy. They loved us.
And then they were dead because they got stuck in your art.
That's also true. But if you don't live in a house or in an area that has a lot of ants, this is a really great project. So even though it's sticky there, it's all hard. It's not sticky on here.
That's very cool.
It doesn't stick, but it's shiny. Here's what I did with, I did a flower and I painted the grass green, and then I painted the whole thing and then I went over it with the cornstarch painting. So fun.
It's when the light reflects on it, it's really glossy.
Yes, it's very glossy. That was a good word to use. Okay, so I'm going to tape off my edges because I was going to keep it the same as the other one. And I'm using construction paper on this, not watercolor paper. I'll go down to this side.
The green is so lovely.
It's really pretty, isn't it? And it's another easy paint that we can do. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to wake up my watercolors, but I'm just going to use blue, so I'm just going to wake them up on this side. And then grab another brush. I need sort of a bigger brush. Okay, here we go. We're going to use this one. And then try and get this going. And now I'll paint carefully around the outside here. But again, I would normally wait for the green to dry because I don't want to get my paintbrush stuck in the sticky part. But I think it's okay. I think actually you don't have to wait. If you don't want to wait, you just want to do it, you should just go for it.
And then, but don't have your paint be super wet, or does it matter?
I don't think it matters because it's almost like a resist.
Well,
it's not going in there at all. Yeah. I just thought my paintbrush would get too sticky, but it's not.
Well, another test. Look at you.
I know.
Experimenting while you go.
Oh, I did just spread it a little bit there, but that's okay. Makes it kind of pretty. Okay, I'm going to finish this up, but like we always ask you, if you do this, would you send us a photo? Because it's really fun, and I love this. So yeah, super shiny, glossy paint. It doesn't have to be for St. Patrick's Day, but that's what we're celebrating, so I thought I'd do shamrocks. I think these shamrocks are going to turn out better than these ones. I was a little more careful with my painting. Or you could do a springtime one like this. You could do whatever you want, because you are the artist.
Yeah.
Don't forget to cover your workspace, because it is a little bit messy, and if you do have an ant problem at your house, you want to make sure you don't have the corn syrup all over your countertop either, or your table, wherever you're working.
And also, food coloring will stain your skin, Miss Kate, right?
That is so true. I'm a little bit of a mess now.
Whoopsie
Yes.
doodly do.
It's okay. It all washes off. Okay, look. Oh, I like this one. I think I like this one better than the first one. Okay, I'm going to pull it off here.
It's sort of like shamrocks or clovers in the wild. They all look different.
Yes, they do. They all
Like
look different.
snowflakes and people.
I'm not going to take the tape off the outside yet. I'm going to wait for it to dry. But
It's really
yeah, look at this.
beautiful, Miss Kate.
So
Nice
fun.
job. Nice
So remember,
job.
corn syrup can make lots of things. You can use it in your food, but you can also use it to paint with. All right. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you soon. Bye. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Bye, friends.